Hi दोस्तों, eat for living, don't live for eating. Okay, with that message, we will start our class today. This is class 4, second chapter, eating for life, food. That is our second chapter topic. Okay, eating for life. Especially, we are focused on this chapter about food. Okay, so today we will start this second chapter. This is a part 1. I will be giving you 3 videos of this chapter to understand it in detail. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about nutrients and this one, different types of nutrients, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. These things we will study in detail. And the next, after nutrients, we have water and roughage, importance of water and roughage in our food. Then we will study balanced diet. What is a balanced diet and why we need a balanced diet in our daily life. Then last one is food preservation. So these all things you are going to study in this chapter. Okay, chapter 7, eating for life on food. Okay, so that is about today. In today's class, we will only discuss about carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. Okay, so listen me carefully. Keep the textbook with you. Try to read 2 or 3 or 4 times the chapter. I already told read. Okay, reading make you gives you better knowledge. Okay, so starting with the first main topics are given there in the textbook. Learning plan is given there. You just look at that all things you have to study in this chapter. So first you can see one picture is there of a baby ka ek chota picture hai. After that you can see beside the chota bacha there is a boy standing there. So how that chota baby, small baby, is transformed into a full grown up a small this one boy. Okay, so why that happens, how that happens, that is because of food. Okay, we are always, morning we will eat breakfast, afternoon we have lunch, evening we will have some snacks or etc., and the night we may have supper or dinner, etc., etc. So in our life, without food we cannot imagine our life. So that is why we always used to eat different types of food, and based on that we have a good nice chapter. We will start with that one. We need food to stay alive. Food acts as a fuel in our body, for the body. Okay, so like guardian, bike, car, etc., etc., they, for the smooth working, okay, it needs fuel. Okay, like petrol, diesel, etc., etc. The same thing that food which act in our human body, food is acting as a fuel. Okay, without food our body will not work properly. So that is about given in this chapter. You look at that, food gives us energy to work and play. हम लोग को कुछ काम करने के लिए, खेलने के लिए, डांस करने के लिए we must have food. Otherwise we cannot do all these things properly. Okay, so that is about that one. Second one, food helps the body to grow. Okay, to a child, from a child to a this one full grown boy or a young man, our body needs food, different types of food, which is having different types of nutrients. Okay, so that is about that one. Second point, third point, food repairs the damaged parts of the body. While eating different types of food, our body gets these all types of nutrients, and with the help of that nutrients, our body is maintaining the body, this one, the growth of the body, the repair damaged parts of the body, etc. All these things are done with the help of these nutrients which we are getting from the food. Okay, coming to the last point, keeps the body fit and healthy. Food, this food, because of eating this food, different varieties of food, our body this one body fit and healthy. Body will be always fit and healthy. So these are the main things why we are taking food. These are the main important things that we are getting from the food. Okay, we are because of food, that are the main things. Okay, food gives us energy to work and play. Then food helps the body to grow. Then food, next one, food repairs our damaged parts of the body. Crack or this one breaking is there, that also will be the damaged parts of the body will be repaired with the help of food, which is having these nutrients in that. Okay, so first one, moving to the first one, nutrients. First one is carbohydrates, second proteins, third one fats, fourth one vitamins, the fifth one minerals. Okay, so moving to first one, first nutrients. We will just give a small in detail this one about nutrients. Okay, move to textbook page number 12. Nutrients are useful substances that our body needs in order to grow and in order to stay healthy. Okay, look at the textbook. Nutrients are substances that us this one our body needs to grow. Okay, so to stay healthy, our body needs to grow with the help of these nutrients. Okay, so that is given in your textbook, and there are 5 different types of nutrients are there. First one, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about carbohydrates. Okay, look at the textbook page number 13. Carbohydrates, which gives energy to our body to work, to play, to dance, etc., etc. To do all these things, our body needs energy. Thus, this energy we are getting from different types of food which we are having, and that must be having carbohydrates in that. Okay, so that is about that one. People who do a lot of physical work, or this one growing children from a chota beta to a full grown this one boy or a adult, our body needs carbohydrate as a main content. Carbohydrates which gives energy to our body. Okay, and these carbohydrates are of 2 types. Okay, one is in the form of sugar, and the next one is in the form of this one starch. Okay, sugar means it will digest easily. Okay, so that is why carbohydrates, that sugar is it's a one type of carbohydrate, sugar, which will be digested easily, and second one is starch, that it takes little more time, it takes more time than comparing to sugar to digest. Okay, so that is about that one. Sugar, which will be digested easily, that type of carbohydrate. Then this one starch, it will take little more time to digest. Okay, we have example sugar, which contains this one starch as in the form of sugar. We have different types of fruits are there, like banana, then grapes, mangoes, etc. That is the fruits which contains starch in the form of sugar. And we have this one, some more examples. This one carbohydrates, which contains this one rice, wheat, corn, potato, etc. are the example for the food which contains carbohydrates as in the form of starch. Okay, so that is about carbohydrates. Okay, so I think all of you may understand about carbohydrates. Okay, so then there is a small doubt is given there as a picture that one boy is asking to the ma'am that why maida is different and why wheat flour is different. Okay, that is a simple thing is after this one wheat flour atta, हम लोग आटा जो रोटी बनाते wheat flour, that you can see in a brownish color. That is a powder of wheat. We can see the brownish color, which contains all type of nutrients, minerals, fibers, etc. But maida means after filtering everything, the wheat we are getting maida, that white colored powder. Okay, so which means maida is less containing less energy than this one wheat flour. That is why we should not eat atta. Instead of eating this one maida content of food, you must concentrate on eating food which is having wheat flour, atta. Okay, so mainly concentrate on that one. That is given in your textbook. Okay, then moving to the next this one nutrient, that is proteins. Okay, first one is carbohydrates, second one is proteins. Okay, come to page number 13. Proteins build our body and help it grow, and they are body they build our muscles. हम लोग का muscles जो बड़ा होने के लिए body to increase the size body for that our body needs the protein, building blocks of our body, that we like that we can call as proteins. Okay, they build our muscles like a small this one child to a full grown adult. Our body needs a lot of amount of proteins. Okay, so that is about that important thing about the protein. Next one, younger children have growing bodies, so they need more proteins, and proteins also help us to heal the wounds of our हम लोग का body में damage हो गया तो proteins help us to rebuild it. Broke or crack हुआ तो then if we must eat the food which contains more amount of proteins. Okay, and we have examples: milk, curd, cheese, and then eggs, meat, this one, flesh of fish, etc. are the good example which the food which contains more amount of proteins. Okay, so that is about proteins. Our proteins build our body and help our body to grow. Okay, so that is about proteins. I think all of you may understood about that one. Now moving to the next we have fats. Okay, fats. The last today's last content, that is a fat. Only I'll teach a little bit so that will be easy for studying all of you. Fats provide much more energy than these carbohydrates. हम लोग का जो body में we eat different types of food which has carbohydrates, which provides our body energy. Okay, but these fats, no, which contains more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, so if eat more food which contains rich in fat, हम लोग का body में क्या होगा? Our body get lots and lots amount of, our body will be overweighted. Okay, हम लोग मोटा होगा. Okay, so that is about one defect about food which contains fat which we eat. Okay, if we eat more food which contains fat, हम लोग का body क्या होगा? It will be overweighting. Okay, so that is about that one. However, consuming too much fat results in an accumulation of excess fat in our body. ज़्यादा fat, the food which we eat which contains more fat, then it will result in different types of body problems, health problems will be coming. So please avoid the food. You have to eat which contains fat, but you don't eat too much that the food which contains fat. Okay, some examples are given there. Butter, ghee, oil, then again nuts, etc. are rich in fat. But our body needs fat, but our body does not need too much of fat. Okay, so that is about fats. Okay, so I think all of you may understood about carbohydrates and proteins and fats. In today's class, I only explained why we should take food. Our body needs food for energy to grow, to repair our damaged parts of the body, etc., etc. So that I explained in the first. Then second one, we must eat food which contains different types of nutrients, and the nutrients are of 5 types: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, then vitamins, minerals. So today I explained only carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. Okay, then next page number 14, we have vitamins, then minerals, water and roughage. So many are there. That will be continued in the next class. Okay, so little bit portion only we will complete in every class. Okay, so I'll make a short video so that will be easy for you to study. Okay, and I have a small homework for you. As you know, without homework we cannot complete our this one every day, which are periods and etc. So make a short notes. Today I'll give a small homework, that is make a short notes about carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, about these 3 things. Okay, छोटा small short note बनाइए. अपना English में अपना, if you write there will be mistake, you don't worry about that. You write small short notes about carbohydrates, proteins, and fats with examples also. Examples also given in the textbook. It will be easy for you. So I think all of you may understood this class. Thank you all of you. Stay home, stay healthy.